In southwestern France lies a magical walled city that's steeped with history. This is Carcassonne, a simply outstanding medieval town with double-walled fortifications. Its massive defences encircling the castle and its surrounding buildings. Within the walls, a maze of cobbled streets lead up to a splendid Gothic cathedral. Today, the town is known for its tourist shops, brimming with memorabilia, swords with plastic breastplates, ready for children to relive an imaginary world of great knights fighting.
This brings back really fond memories. Me and a friend bought 2 of these, walked up the top of the hill to the Hotel de la City, stood wearing them and said, "A room for 2 nights, please." Room for... oh.
This time I'm back for a family trip, with wife Maria and our 2 boys. Albie, our new fox terrier, and Luke, Maria's son, who's joined us in France on holiday. Luke has an obsession with time past, and especially this era. So first off, we took him to the medieval camp, which is open all year round. It's free, and a great way to immerse yourself in a way of life that was so different, and yet so close to ours.
What do you think of Carcassonne then?
Terrible. Locals didn't like me.
Just a little overacting, methinks. But Maria and I aren't really here for the sightseeing. We are in Carcassonne for its cassoulet, a dish known as the King of Occitan cuisine. Oh, look at those 2, patiently waiting whilst Luke visits his 47th shop looking for some Gothic plate armour. It was the lightest, apparently. Now, not a lot of people know that. Anyway, back to the cassoulet. Beans, pork rind, goose confit and Toulouse sausage are the ingredients that create a celebration of the senses. And my favourite restaurant here, thanks to Chef James Martin, is Compt Roger. Just look at that. Amazing. But is Maria happy? You know what they say. Happy wife, happy life. Well, I think I'll take that as a yes. But this coffee gourmand just stole the show. You can walk the ramparts, and you can pay to have a guided walk by day. And by night in July and August, when this city has its ramparts illuminated. Perfect for the more adventurous tourist. But for me, after my super huge cassoulet, it's beer o'clock.
So whilst it says Pelfort, it's actually Affligan Blonde. And they put a bit of lemon in it. Nice. It's not my cup of tea.
That's because it's not a cup of tea.
She's right, it's not a cup of tea. It's an African blonde with a bit of lemon in it. I think I'd rather the Pelfort, actually.
Or a cup of tea.
Or a cup of tea. So I've been to this little fortified town many times, and I love it. But the last time I came with Maria, it was raining. I mean, we were here for 3 days, and it rained every day. So the big question is, what does she think to it now?
Well, I'm not dashing from bar to restaurant to bar to hotel. So it's quite nice because I've seen a bit more than I did last time. Because last time I was just hoping that the holiday would end. But it's really cute. It's very touristy. I probably wouldn't bring the dog again because he wants to say hello to every dog there is. And there's like 50 million dogs here. But no, it's really worth a visit.
High praise indeed from Maria, her indoors, on her travels again.
Well, that's it for now. There are plenty more French adventures coming soon, especially if you take the time to subscribe. Until then, thank you for watching.